Ngatho muno ni undu wa gucoka andu no mathiete na mbere kugegio ni audio that was leaked ni chairlady wa Goatwives based kuria USA Wairimu Kimani kuria Ndama wa Spears araiguika akianika kiengei na miario miruru muno. Audio iyo yakorwo igitrend muno guku nenda-ini na in fact Wairimu wa Kimani has spoken akigeria gutariria how the audio was leaked, akiuga she was betrayed by one of her friends who had visited gwake mucii, akiuga she managed gukorwo leak that video tondu her phone was on loudspeaker riria agukiaragia na Ndama maundu macio, akiuga murata ucio recorded the whole conversation na gukorwo akimelik. Akorwo akiandika, and I quote, "A violation of trust from one out of two friends who were visiting me, and my conversation was on speakerphone. A friend of 15 years, I know who out of the two is. I am devastated." Ekire ndumiriri iria Wairimu Kimani andika after video gukorwo ikithondekwo muno, andu go through that audio that leaked. Most people nenda-ini matinakorwo magitikira explanation iyo ya Wairimu Kimani about how her conversation was leaked online. Oroho fans ni makorwo magitetera reaction ya Ndama Spears about the conversation iyo very confidential agukiaragia na Wairimu Kimani gukorwo ikilikoko online, kuona she revealed very intimate details about Joy Kiengei na Bishop Ben na makiria drama yake na MP kururia ikere ndeto iria iruritie guku nenda-ini. Ngithie na mbere na gukundia gacai, make sure ni ura subscribe no turn on your notification niguo hingo ciothe ukamukira maria mareyumiria.